Good evening, friends. Today's our topic for the lecturate is United Nations General Assembly. So, United Nations General Assembly is one of the principal organs amongst these six organs and was established in 1945. United Nations General Assembly mainly looks after the decision making of various important issues which are related to the peace, security, and other international issues, and the decisions are being made by the voting process, as each member of the assembly is having one vote. There are 193 member states which sit in the United Nations General Assembly for making the various decisions. Talking about the functions of United Nations General Assembly, so firstly, it considers and approves the United Nations budget and proper allocation of it. Secondly, the appointment of the non-permanent members of the United Nations Security Council and the Secretary General of the United Nations is being appointed in this assembly only. Thirdly, all the other organizations submit their reports to the United Nations General Assembly, and further the implementations are done accordingly. And last, United Nations General Assembly gives the recommendations in the form of the resolutions. Talking about the working in the United Nations General Assembly, so the important issues like issues related to the peace and security and other important issues on an international level, so decisions on such issues are being taken by having the two-third majority of the votes, as all the members are having the equal voting right. So two-third majority is being required for such important issues, and other issues are being passed straightforwardly by having the equal voting right. Talking about the recent session, which was the 75th session held in September 2020, where our country's Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi had addressed virtually, and the main points were related to the COVID-19 impact in 2020 and how to recover from this pandemic situation. And secondly, the major point was to expand the development of the economy and how to upgrade the innovations and technologies, as the economy is still recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic situation. So at last, I would like to conclude this topic by saying that the United Nations General Assembly is one of the principal organ, and all the important decisions are being taken in this assembly only. And if other recommended countries are being included who are capable of taking proper decision and on the consent of other member countries, those countries are included, then definitely the development can be done at an international level and all the countries can develop in a proper way. Thank you.
Jai to all of you. Today our lecture topic is United Nations General Assembly. Basically, it is one of the most important primarily part of United Nations organization. So I would like to cover this topic by simply history. What was the history behind that? Why there is a need of this organization and the purpose of this organization. So United Nations, as I already told you, it is one of the most important part of the United Nations organization. So I would like to bit light on the United Nations organization. So United Nations organization was found in 1945 after the World War II. Because after World War II, what was the scene, friends? The world is full of ruins and world want peace. The world want peace. And that time 51 countries decided and they gathered in the San Francisco and in 1945 and signed a UN Charter. And this UN Charter signed in June 1945, and UN officially came into force in October 1945. So that time what was happened before World War II? If I talking about after World War I, there was also organization League of Nations, which is also called the forerunner of United Nations organization. The League of Nations was destroyed due to World War II, and new organization formed to maintain the peace and security in the nation. Now, United Nations organization has six bodies, 6 main organs. The first is one of the most important, the United Nations General Assembly, second is United Nations Security Council, third is International Court of Justice, and fourth is Secretariat, like, and two more organs. So United Nations General Assembly is the one of the most important primarily organ of the United Nations organization. Why? Because it is the most deliberate policy making and the main representative of the United Nations organization. Because if any decision is going to be made, then it is only possible due to UNGC, United Nations General Assembly. Any state, any country, if want to membership of a UN, then it is only possible due to United Nations General Assembly, because United Nations generally decides upon the recommendation of the United Nations Security Council. And this meeting held in every year in September, like in 2025 talking, due to Corona, it's meeting held in a virtual mode. So it's meeting held in September at every year. And it's head of a United Nations General Assembly, the president of the United Nations General Assembly is elected at every year. It's elected at every year, and it is elected by the members of the United Nations General Assembly. Any important decision which regarding to the peace and very important decision, if I say, then it is the only passed. This decision is only passed. It is only came into force if it is passed by 2/3 majority of the members. And other decisions, simple decisions, they are not so much. If I say, they are not so much important. So these are simply passed by the simple majority. Like in our parliament, will are passed by special majority, that is 2/3, and simple majority 50 plus 1% that voting. In the same way, same case here. So United Nations General Assembly is main body, main organization, main organ of the United Nations. So thank you. Jai Bharat.